Hey my harmonies, I'm gonna show you guys another kiss press on nails tutorial. Forget going to the nail salon, girl. You can just do it all at home and these will last you way longer. If you want to save time and money, then just keep on watching. These Kiss press-on nails have been my favorite lately. None of them have popped off and these lasted me for 1 month. Once I had removed the nails, they were super easy to come off. Since they were ready to come off anyway, I had used this Dollar Tree cuticle remover and it's a cuticle softener, so I'm gonna use this to soften my cuticles before I push them back. I had used this cuticle pusher and trimmer that I had got from Amazon. Everything that I'll be using in this video, including the press-on nails, will be linked down below. It's mandatory for me to push my cuticles back because they can grow so long. My cuticles have always been like that, and I notice when I do push them back and trim them, it makes the nails look so much better. And before you apply the cuticle softener, you do want to wash your hands so your cuticles can be more prepped and more softened, and it'll be easier for you to push the cuticles back. Using a cuticle trimmer will help remove excess cuticle buildup, and it will help prevent hangnails. I suffer from that too. So if you suffer from hangnails, please invest into a cuticle trimmer. Once you are done pushing back and trimming your cuticles, you want to make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly to remove all the excess oils and cream from the cuticle remover. Next, I'm going in with the nail file to file down my nails more. I did go in with nail clippers off camera, but that didn't help much, so I just filed the rest of my nails down. I noticed when they're real short and nubby, the press-on nails last way longer versus when they have length on them. These are the Kiss classy press-on nails that I'm going to be showing you guys. I've shown you guys the square shape before, but this is the almond shape. The almond shape is one of my new favorite styles, honestly. I like my nails a square shape, but the almond is they've just been more eye-catching to me lately. And this is how the style looks up close and personal. These are easy to apply, waterproof, smudge-proof, and chip-proof. To be honest, they do chip over time, but they don't chip immediately. I love how these nails are durable and yet still flexible at the same time. For the perfect match, it does have some transparency at the bottom, which I like. This is the perfect time to choose your nail size for each finger, then set the nails aside. The nails are sized by number and they're underneath the nail. On the box it says these nails can last you 7 days, but I'm going to show you guys how you can make these nails last way longer than 7 days. Right now I'm just lightly buffing my nails with the nail file, and that's going to help with the nails lasting way longer. Next, I'm going in with a nail prep dehydrator. This is going to help remove my natural oils from my nails so the glue can actually stick onto my nails, and that's another way to help the nails last longer too. We're going to be using the glue that comes with the nails. This is the pink gel nail glue. This is my favorite nail glue to use. Some people say it doesn't really work for them, so I'll try to link another alternative down below that's really popular. On the directions, it does let you know that you want to apply the glue on the press-on nail and your real nail, so you can do it like that, or apply the glue only on your nail or only on the press-on nail. Just make sure you just apply enough glue, because if you don't use enough glue, then the nails are not going to last long. Then I'm just holding my nail down to make sure that the nail glue is set on my nails and to make sure that there's absolutely no air bubbles. Then I'm taking the mini nail file that's included with the kit, and I'm going to be filing my nails at the tip. For some reason, the nails are like super sharp at the tip, and it's not like sharp from the shape, it's sharp from whatever they ripped off from the tip of the nail. I don't know how to explain, but once you guys feel the nails, then you would know like, oh yeah, like I need to file that. They look and feel so much better afterwards. We need to add moisture back onto our hands, so I'm going to be using my rose hand cream from L'Occitane. This smells so good and it's perfect for the spring season. Lastly, we're going to be using this hibiscus scented cuticle oil. This will nourish your cuticles and prevent them from drying, and it will give your nails a healthy, natural shine. And this is how you can get salon quality nails at home without having to spend $100, $200. You do not need to break the bank to have beautiful nails. If this nail tutorial had helped you in any way, please make sure to like this video, comment below, and of course, subscribe to join the harmony. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.